Today for our mini lesson, we are going to learn that after we are done reading a book, we need to write the title and the author of the book that we had just read into our reading journal. So today I need you to get out after you listen to 8 by Martin Jenkins. I would like you to get out your green reader's notebook and find the place. It's at the very beginning. It says reading list. And after you get there, you will see a place that says title. So you're going to write down the title, which was Apes, and then the author, Martin Jenkins. Go ahead and do that. Practice this is called logging in your book. So you will log in your title and the author into your reader's notebook. When you are done, read another book and of your choice and log into your reader's notebook again.